Hello guys, today I'm milling some poplar. There's 3 logs, but I'll try to do both of them, 2 of them on the same ladder. Yeah, I will mill them fast. Yeah, and there's these guys here watching me mill. Look at this guy. Let's see if he wants to be in the video or not. Yeah, there we go.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, now there goes a sight from my soul, there goes a sight from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight, there goes a sight from my soul. I think it's always gonna just walk by. I think it's always gonna just walk by. I think it's always gonna just walk by. I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul.
So guys, this is what we got from the 3 logs. A couple of boards. The cut went smooth. Everything went well. I had no issues. This poplar leaves some nice chips, but they're really small, so it's not dusty, but it's still small chips. Yeah, it kind of clogs a bit the barb and chain, but it went okay. So this is the offcuts. It's gonna be used for fire. And this is the same place I've cut the walnut log a while ago. So there's a video up there in my page if you want to see it. We got some peacocks, some walnut, and outdoor really nice countryside here, not far away from my city. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.